Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but unfortunately, the watery eyes, the scratchy throat, if you've been feeling it, will likely persist for a few more days as smoky skies are expected to stick around for the foreseeable future. The air quality alert that's been in place the last couple of days for eastern Oregon and the Treasure Valley of Idaho has been extended now, at least on the Idaho side, by the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality through at least Friday afternoon. Remember that wildfire smoke is coming in from the west. It's all dependent on fire behavior and fire suppression efforts, so it's really tricky to predict exact air quality and density of smoke day to day. But the general outlook for tomorrow is that we'll spend much of the day in the orange or unhealthy for sensitive groups category, but would not be surprised, just like today, if we spent several hours in the red or unhealthy for everyone category, which means your time outside should be limited. And if it's not the smoke that does it, the heat tomorrow might have you hunkering down inside. We have moisture that will start moving off to the east. So while we'll still stay smoky at the surface, we will have blazing sunshine overhead, and that will allow temperatures to climb into the triple digits tomorrow. I'm anticipating at least 3 days in a row of triple digit heat. So a heat advisory also goes into effect starting tomorrow through Saturday. Friday will be the hottest day of that stretch. Looking at our satellite radar picture right now, we are seeing storm activity that is starting to wind down over the central mountains. Well, you see here, I put this flash flood watch underneath the radar layer so you could kind of see where the flash flood concerns are and then where the storms are firing off. We had a pretty decent storm right over Stanley earlier. That is wrapping up, and it looks like the Sun Valley area as well. Storms are moving off to the northeast. That may be the extent of storms tonight, but I can't rule out another little pocket of active weather here and there through sunset. Heavy rain, the biggest threat with those storms. As we look forward on our futurecast, though, to tomorrow morning, you can see the clouds and storm activity pulling away to the east. We'll wake up to clear skies overhead, still smoky at the surface, but clear overhead. Then tomorrow, with just enough lingering moisture in the atmosphere and some instability in play as a little weak impulse comes in from the west, there's the possibility from maybe 6 to 9 p.m. tomorrow that a couple of isolated storms could fire off in the central mountains and possibly over the valleys as well, coming in from the west. So if you see storm clouds to your west kind of brewing, looking a little ominous, just be weather aware. Have a plan B to maybe duck indoors. Gusty outflow winds, likely the biggest threat tomorrow, up to 50 miles per hour with some lightning and rain as well. Looking at temperatures in the morning, if you can stand the smoke, that's probably the best time to get out and about. We'll wake up to upper 60s to right around 70 in the Treasure Valley. Look at our scorching Thursday afternoon. 104 in Mountain Home, 102 for most of the Treasure Valley, upper 90s in the Magic Valley, even McCall and Haley at 90 degrees tomorrow. And then after that, heat becomes a big headline. We stay scorching through Saturday. A little cool down on Sunday, but blazing sunshine and heat stick around through next week.